Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch your audio output to an external monitor. To do that, just click on this sound icon here, click on it, then select your external monitor, click on it, and when it turns blue, that means that your output has been set to that monitor. And if you don't have this icon, then click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, then click on System Settings. And now in System Settings you can go to Sound, Output, and in Output you can choose your monitor if you have it here. Just click on it, and when it's highlighted, that means that your monitor will output sound. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.